Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC when you're offline mode. Of course, stock videos aren't available when you're offline, but I'm just going to get one for the example. So what you can do when you're offline mode on CapCut PC is you can use keyframes. So you can select this add keyframe and you can kind of like zoom in and zoom out here. Did I even add a keyframe? Okay. And then here I'm going to zoom out again, and then I'll add a keyframe here. Don't know why I could not add a keyframe. And then here I'm going to kind of zoom in again, but then I'm going to move the position and rotate it slightly here. What else you can do? You can also do it for blend mode. For instance, you want a fade out effect. Select this here, and I'm just going to bring the opacity to 0, and then here I'm going to bring it up again, and then here I'm going to adjust the scale, rotation, and position so it's back to normal. What else you can do? You can, you cannot cut out. You can, I think, adjust speed as well. But you can't like use the curve. Here I just fast forward it. But yeah, those are basically what you can do. You can also, I think, go to adjustments and adjust these saturation, color, hues, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, white, illumination, sharpen as well here. But yeah, those are the basic things that you can do when you're offline mode on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!